Actually, look, I'm going to marry you.
Hmm?
You're going to be my wife.
Ojogo, please.
I already know how this thing is going to end.
Guys, welcome to Find This Boy YouTube channel. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comments, and share my videos.
Peller!
Sarah Beretta!
Eh? Where you there like this?
I dey go club me.
See Peller, shall I see outfits now? If I know.
He fine yo. He fine.
Go, Mercy, go back, stand up, go back.
Let me. Use everything. It's gold. Just sign it, honey.
Yes.
Take my butter.
I like the outfit. Very nice.
See the butter. The butter too na sign. Not all na sign.
Hello, Peller, you dress good.
This is a sharp.
Which club will they go?
Are you there?
Yes, I'm here. Which club will they go? Which club?
What's it? What is my network?
Which club will they go?
My network is no good.
I can hear you. I can see you.
Can you see me?
Yes, I
so
can
everything
see
I'm
you.
doing, you are not seeing.
I am seeing you, Peller. I can see you. Which club will they go?
I can see. May I talk club of name. May I say name club. May they call attack me for road. I'm a billionaire, they go attack me. Yes. Nadala want to go and spend the club. You see him? No.
Hey, Ogo.
Don't worry. I will do that dollar in the hand. Don't worry. Everywhere good.
Your outfit is fine, actually. You look very good. I like it.
Then I go tell God to update my. May you update my. What's it that they call them?
Wikipedia.
Make you update my amount.
Your net worth. Your net worth.
My net worth.
What is your net worth?
Make sure I go up this.
You got to tell them what is your net worth that they go update.
Maybe now $50 you put for my net worth.
No.
$50.
Make a go. Hold on.
Why you go put $50 for me? Sorry,
Peller net worth. Hold on.
See, that net worth is not real. Now where be say I turn to a celebrity.
Peller is officially the youngest billionaire in Nigeria. In
say what lie?
Wallahi, see ya.
Emil Aliko Dangote kekere.
In an
Aliko Dangote. This poor boy Aliko Dangote.
In an interview on Plot, he feel like he makes nothing less than 30 million a month from TikTok, 5 million from and more than 10 from Instagram. So you are officially the youngest billionaire in Nigeria.
Officially youngest. So if they say who the youngest, richest billionaire, go to Peller. You could buy me Emil Aliko Dangote.
They say you make 20 million naira a week.
No, Joe, I don't make it. Yeah, God forbid. Search for youngest
billionaire.
Youngest rich person in Nigeria.
Youngest billionaire in Nigeria.
Youngest billionaire. Billionaire.
No you.
Top where I did.
They say there's no single one. They say they on a plenty.
They say we plenty.
No only one.
Just one Yahoo boy. They be Yahoo. No, jump us. Let us go pass so bad.
Let us go
no Yahoo to Yahoo.
Make I check your net worth. Peller net worth.
Don't check my network. Check the youngest billionaire. Well, God go to the address.
Yes, that is. God go say Peller is officially the youngest billionaire in Nigeria. He's officially the youngest billionaire. Yes, now. They have to say Peller a billionaire. You say yes, you're a billionaire.
Hey, wait. Search for Richard Concept Creator.
Okay.
May bring a machine.
Okay. Content creator in Nigeria. In Nigeria.
Who is the push?
Include Salo of what if it who is Salo? Salo wanting Bonafis, Oyem, and now that I see you.
Yeah. That one Salo. Impulses.
Salo
no be young person now. I say no be young person. I be young person. I young. He let me see the screen.
Mark Angel. Mark Angel, Sabinus.
That I love Salo.
Sabinus. Cute Sabinus. In the talker. They just brain butter. Oh, make a put TikToker. Richest TikToker.
No, put Richard TikToker. They go push me. Don't put Richard TikToker. Then they crazy. I don't like that spawn.
You know content creator they plenty. All those people from Facebook. You know say content creator they plenty. People from Facebook. Go to the Mark Angel.
Now too, they plenty well you. I never put it up happy.
Yes. Okay, youngest streamer. Okay, it's you. What about streamer? Youngest streamer.
No time for youngest streamer. Kill me. No time for any youngest streamer.
You will get there, Peller, but you're a billionaire. They say you're a billionaire. So that's okay.
I'm a billionaire.
Yes.
Am I? Confirm.
No, that's
not. If invite me to the house, now confirm how much person gets. Don't go to send their mass.
If in America you did, in America you did, they'll come meet you, they'll come verify your wealth.
I was in America a day. My life go on better.
They'll come verify your wealth.
God.
They'll come put you for the young top. Forbes, all those things.
Like, Ọlọ́run ayé mi o. You see in America. They don't take come. Me another guy is a Nazi. You go down mess. All of us, you go down be. You go down. Yeah. Don't worry.
You'll get there, Peller.
You did not see that video me and Jarvis we did it.
Yes,
no, we did.
If I know, it's like
that video is sharp.
Very fine.
Me and no Cubana. Say now Cubana be that. Cubana she priest. Me and Shivana priest. Shivana priest.
No, Cubana
Cubana priest. Now him he do our driver for that. That's my lawyer. Loyalty kidama he too lawyer. He lawyer pa. Now make me know say Igbo people they lawyer. Oh Lord. Me, I don't think of that conscience. I don't tell my manager, maybe we tell Cubana chief prince, may him, if they do the driver, make Kini console. My manager goes, no, can you say, say, for big man, they tell big man, say, they do driver. It was not any rude now. But so I know say that thing, a better promotion, we go fly. But him, we can't get there in Kilorukwe, in assistance, he come think of one, he come tell and that's one, where you think of. Cubana chief is say, for your head now, that one where you think it makes sense. Him can't talk. Cubana chief is because say, this one I think you. Him can't talk which I don't talk for. I think like rich people. Rich people we think the same, my brother. My billionaire, I don't think. Him just say we do am. We do am like this. Gigidi. Dollar, plenty dollar. The Yafua. It's not CC. $100, see. 100 you.
Yes, sir.
100. Let's see. Collect us $100. Say good person. God bless the. You saw that when they Facebook, where they say partnership pricey, he give us $50 million. We are person. We are not even mental amounts. We are rice amounts. You are doing passing yourself. Like, bro, you don't have to be doing pass yourself. The one you see, just posted this. You are lying. Peller, he bought Jarvis a huge car with a Cubana priest. So, Sada Peneda, next week I'll be in Ghana and I'll be going crazy in Ghana. Whoa, I don't go agree for that Ghana. Oh. Ah, Ghana! Don't worry.
Peller, you look good. I like your outfit.
Ghana,
I like your outfit, Peller. You look good.
Ghana go know say somebody enter town. I swear.
Peller, you look
Ghana,
good. I like your outfit.
what is it?
You're a fine boy. You're a fine boy.
Ah, if you say so, you're crossing on me. Ah, you want to be something somebody for? I know small. I swear so much you got the salad penalty. I know small. My kidney is big. Since I don't date 10 years old, oh, kidney is big, yo. It's too big for me. I swear to God. Man, I don't know. My satchel is looking small. All the things where I suppose you tall, big, fat. My kidney, you don't collect everything. Ah, fair everywhere. Like you know. Don't worry. Ah, yes. I swear, I'm small in the body, oh, but I am a mighty in the mightiest. Now, when I say my wife, well, you will never be hungry of the outside. Yes, my wife will never be hungry of the outside because when I catch her, you will beg. Ah, I know you anything. Any day, I don't do anything with my wife. That day, you go get pregnant, you go pump picking next day.
Wow, you're in doubt. You're in doubt.
What is it?
You are in doubt.
You are wasting.
You are man enough. You are man enough. You are man enough. You are man enough.
I'm man enough. Come out enough. I am a man. I'm a man. Come on enough. Stop. I'm a man in my man world. No worry. Me, people like me, we sleep, where we be like this, like person we no fit shop anything. Person all where we say we be like person we never shop this morning. Ah, Sarah Beneda. We are the man in teeth. Man in teeth. As a producer, if they tell you all this one, I don't know why I'm telling you all this one. Ah, who be that?
That's sorry. It's good to know. I like it.
Yeah, you like what?
I like the story. It's nice to hear.
Ay. See your life outside, stand up and enter. You like the story. Don't be exposed. Your wife can be outside you. Don't be exposed it. You are saying you like it nice.
I like to hear it. It's good.
If your husband will come outside, they'll be telling everybody what's it. You will like it. You will be cool with him. You know now where I don't thought that a lot of a woman would they TM Peller. Come and do me dash. Do me penguin. You don't know? Ah.
I know. Because they would like to see it.
Sarah Peller, bye.
No.
Bye. Yeah, I want to go. We go very soon.
Yeah, it's okay. You look good. You just say they all wine me. Say that they not know how to wine. Now me you want follow wine. Wait, why you on? If I stay.